myself a military man, and now I'm almost in hysterics. He has me living on the army plan. You'd think my parlor was the barracks. It's so peaceful when he's gone, but when he's home the war is on. My flat looks more like an armory. Takes out his bugle when he calls me. At night keeps drilling me constantly. He's my man of war. When he advances, can't keep him back. So systematic in his attack. All my resistance is bound to crack. For my man of war, he never misses when he brings up his big artillery. Bullet-like kisses that hit the mark with such rapidity. His operations always increase. It seems his movements will never cease. At home he always disturbs the peace. He's my man of war. If I'm retreating, he goes around and gets me in the rear. He keeps repeating a flank attack till victory is near. And when he turns his machine gun loose, then I surrender, for there's no use. He makes me throw up my flag of truce. He's my man of war. In my house, about 4:30, there was a racket on the second floor. Bill Napoleon Brown, who'd been running round, tried to beat his front door down. Heard him yelling, "Wake up, men. You've locked me out, why don't you let me in?" Then a woman's voice replied, "I mean for you to stay outside. Go and find another place to draw your water, 'cause Mama's well has done gone dry. You ain't treated me the way a real man oughta. You just don't seem to satisfy. Stand out there till Judgment Day and knock and knock. Throw your key away, 'cause I done changed my lock. Go and find another place to draw your water, 'cause Mama's well has done gone dry. Keep moving, Mama's well has done gone dry." and find another place to draw your water, 'cause mama's well has done gone dry. You ain't treated me the way a real man oughta. You just don't seem to satisfy. T'ain't no use to hang around and signify, 'cause I washed you out and hung you up to dry. Go and find another place to draw your water, 'cause mama's well has done gone dry. Keep moving, mama's well has done gone dry. For the benefit of all the women here, I would like to say a word or two. If you want to hold your man, lend me your ear. Here's some sound advice for you. Never brag about your man, or you will be without your man. When I told some women friends he knew his stuff, every gal in town was out to call my bluff. If your man has good control, don't you tell a single soul. I bragged about his loving to a gal named Ruth. The other day she said I sure told her the truth. Never brag about your man, or you will be without your man. Brag about your man, or you will be without your man. My man always did the lovely things he should, but he stopped the day I bragged that he was good. I regret the things I said, guess it must have swelled his head. For since I advertised him, he's worth a dime. Outside demonstrations take up all his time. Never brag about your man, or you will be without your man. Half of the world here doesn't know about the other half. The one who spoke these timely words sure said a paragraph. Of all the problems that exist, there isn't one like this. Now who can tell a mister from a miss? Nothing here perplexes like the sexes, for things are vice versa nowadays. In spite of all we do, we can't tell who is who. So many folks have vice versa ways. For instance, many boys are high sopranos, while many girls prefer to sing the bass. And when you see them switch, you don't know which is which. A brother now can take his sister's place. Everything here perplexes like the sexes. There are many things that only doctors know. A boy will fill with pride and blush just like a bride if you should say hello, Miss So-and-so. And many ladies have a secret passion to wear a full mustache and mannish clothes. And many girls and boys are now exchanging toys. What nature had in mind, nobody knows. On the army land, you'd think my parlor was the barracks.